Okay, now, all right. We're doing something, okay. All right, guys, so we are back today with another hair video. So this unit right here, guys, was sent to me from Xrsbeauty Hair. So this unit is a 2-in-1 unit, guys. It is obviously a nice straight unit right here, but once I go ahead and put a little bit of water on this joint, it's gonna be very cute and curly. So I can't wait to show you guys that part. You guys know I gotta start with the install part, so I'll get to that one real quick. I did want to go ahead and show you guys the lace comparison from this company. You guys know they use a clear lace. So clear lace, guys. The unit looks flawless AF. Now, for the purposes of this video, I did not do baby hair magic. I did not touch this unit whatsoever. This unit came pre-bleached, pre-plucked, all the stuff. Also came with adjustable straps, so I didn't have to do anything. So with this unit, guys, I want to kind of install it with you guys clean. I did not do baby hair with this one at all, guys, because I want to show you guys how realistic this unit looks. I do love this natural straight look right here, guys. I feel like this natural look looks very realistic. Well, natural, realistic, you know what I mean. So this unit, guys, is 24 inches long. It is 200% density, which I can say the density on this one is excellent. The length on this one is definitely a true 24. It might even actually be like a 26-ish, 28-inch. I do feel like it is sitting on my lap pretty nicely. The unit is very nice, guys. It is a middle part style. They sent it to me style middle part, but you can go ahead and make side parts or do whatever you want. I want to keep it in the style they gave it to me. One thing I do like about this lace, guys, is that the lace is very kind of like thin as well too. Obviously it's a clear, so as far as doing like nice kind of up styles and having the lace look very flawless, you'll have no issues doing that because the lace is so delicate, so fresh, guys, if you guys can see what I mean. So with this one, you can go ahead and do really cute half up, half down looks and stuff like that. But for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this one look really curly and pretty. So hope you guys enjoyed that part of the video and enjoy the install part, because you know all the installs always bomb AF. Now, as far as the lace, guys, you guys know this is the clear. So the one on the front right here is the transparent lace. You guys know transparent lace is pretty popular as well. Their transparent lace is nice. They also have the standard medium brown color. Rarely a lot of companies use this one, but this is the new clear one. As you guys can see straight off the bat, that is a clear lace wig. Clear lace, guys, the same lace that I'm wearing on my head. So this is the clear, this is their most popular one, and this is the one I'm showing you guys today on my head. So I will go ahead, guys, and jump into the install part of this video, and then we'll come back for the styling of the curl. so as far as the products that I used today to get this hair to be all pretty like this, I did go ahead and use the Cantu curling cream along with the Cantu flaxseed smoothing oil. So this is new with Cantu. It's a really good product, guys. If you're looking for an oil or anything just to kind of like defrizz everything, make sure the hair has a nice luster to it and everything, I just added a little bit of that oil to the water along with just putting some on my hand. The Cantu curling cream helped definitely define the curls a lot, guys. You guys can see how pretty defined these curls are. Very lush and pretty. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like of this unit, guys. I do prefer this texture versus the straight. I do think the straight looks lovely as well too, and I like the versatility of this unit, number one, because if you're traveling, you're going on a nice island trip, you can actually go on the trip with the hair straight or do any other type of straight style you want, and then you could just literally dive into the pool. Literally dive into the pool, come out with some beautiful curls. So that right there, I can't deny. It's a great mix of a unit if you're traveling and you're going to like a tropical island. You want to start the trip with straight hair and then just transform in the water. That would definitely be lit. I do think that the hair is very pretty. Adding a little product to it and using a nice brush to get the product through. But the hair is actually very, very soft, guys. It's very, very soft. It was very fluffy soft when it was straight, and it's definitely very, very soft right now, as you guys can tell. Very, very soft hair, guys. Very, very soft. So the hairline, everything beautiful. I didn't do any baby hair magic, as you guys know. I think it just looks way better without the baby hair magic. If you definitely want to showcase the hairline, the clear lace is bomb diggity. I think it just looks so realistic. This wig looks, look at, guys, this wig. Guys, look at how lovely she is. A very, very beautiful wig, guys. Absolutely love it. I will leave all the information down below, guys, if you're interested in purchasing this unit from XRSBeautyHair.com. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.